Bitcoin BTCUSD is a digital currency that can be used as a substitute for fiat money issued by governments. The network of Bitcoin is decentralized and it is not extensively used in retail transactions. It is gaining in popularity every day. People are investing in this currency. So the question is, will Bitcoin surpass 50K or more than that by 2023? Let's find out. Why is Bitcoin so popular? Bitcoin does not have the backing of the government, nor does it have an intermediary banking system to help it spread. Consensus-based transactions are approved by a decentralized network of independent nodes on the Bitcoin network. There is no fiat authority to serve as a counterparty to risk and make lenders whole if a transaction goes awry, such as a government or another monetary authority. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, has certain elements of a fiat money system. It's incredibly unusual and impossible to imitate. The only way to produce a false Bitcoin is to double spend. This occurs when a person spends or transfers the same Bitcoin in two or more different places. The scarcity of Bitcoin determines its value. The demand for cryptocurrencies has grown while the supply has shrunk. Investors are yearning for a piece of the ever-increasing profit pie that comes from trading the cryptocurrency's limited supply. Bitcoin, like gold, has a limited utility with primarily industrial applications. The Bitcoin blockchain technology is being tested and used as a payment system. One of the most effective use cases for enhancing the speed and cutting costs is cross-border remittances. Some countries, such as El Salvador, are banking that Bitcoin's technology will advance to the point where it can be used for everyday transactions. Bitcoin's price is only anticipated to reach a record high in 2023, according to the S2F model. For cryptocurrency investors, the last few years have been unlike any other. Since the COVID-19 outbreak and the resulting lockdown, greater regulation across countries, market uncertainties, travel restrictions, economic downturn, and environmental concerns have set the decentralized financial concept in action, while also creating confusion. Bitcoin's price has been steadily rising as a result of growing use, but no longer. BTC's value is rapidly declining after reaching a record high in November 2021. Even though a recovery phase appears to be in the future, analysts estimate that Bitcoin investors may have to wait a year to see the cryptocurrency regain its lost value and hit new highs. You must be the conversant with the cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, whether you are a traditionalist who prefers physical cash or an investment lover. Although digital tokens have been around for a long time, they only became popular during the 2017 Bitcoin price increase. In terms of practical applications, it is comparable to any other high-risk investment. Bitcoin's price is incredibly volatile, and it can either make you wealthy or swindle you off. BTC, on the other hand, did not get off to a strong start in 2022. Following a year of rapid growth, Bitcoin's price dropped at the end of 2021, and the year began with a loss. However, supporters remain hopeful that BTC will make a comeback shortly, citing price forecasts predicting that Bitcoin's value would reach US $100,000 by 2022. Regrettably, the price trend suggests otherwise. According to the Bitcoin graph, the cryptocurrency will only be able to break over the long-standing resistance level in 2023. According to some experts, the halving of Bitcoin could be the catalyst for the cryptocurrency's development in the following days. What does Plan B have to say? Plan B is a well-known cryptocurrency expert who developed the stock-to-flow S2F model, which is the most dependable Bitcoin indicator. Many investors have depended on S2F for accurate predictions over the years. However, the model has failed to make accurate predictions after March 2021, as global forces and changing market conditions have had a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. Previously, the market departed from the S2F forecast in March 2020, only to catch up in January 2021. BTC's value quickly departed from the norm, approaching a death cross in May 2021 before regaining its value by the end of the year. Unfortunately, S2F was unable to precisely predict all of these fluctuations, leading many investors to lose faith in the algorithm. Plan B, on the other hand, tweeted recently, "Both S2F and logarithmic regression point to 100K in 2023. If this prediction is correct, Bitcoin investors will have to wait almost 10 months to see a price increase. It happened in 2018 and 2020, and both times Bitcoin took longer to recover than usual." As a result, BTC investors will have to wait the entire year to enter 2023 on a positive note. Why could Bitcoin halving act as a trigger? The halving of Bitcoin occurs every 4 years or so. It is at this point that the circulation is reduced to ensure that the digital token's full potential is realized. In a word, Bitcoin halving is the process of half the mining incentives for Bitcoin. After each batch of 210,000 blocks has been mined, this occurs. As a result, the price is consistent because the supply is limited. Every time a Bitcoin halving has occurred in the past, the digital token's value has skyrocketed. After the bull run, it will sooner or later enter a long bearish phase. Bitcoin's value increased from $12 to $1,150 over time after the first halving in 2012. It surpassed the US $20,000 threshold during the second halving. As a result, many investors feel that a Bitcoin halving could be the catalyst for the cryptocurrency's recovery from its present fall. They claim that Bitcoin's value will rise and that it will grow faster. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.